Hello again and welcome back to What's in Store Fridays. My name is Mark Cockrell and I'm the manager of retail services at the Culture and Heritage Museums. What we're going to cover is things that we carry on our online store, which we hope you will visit. But since we're closed right now, we are encouraging you to shop online. We're going to talk about some of the jewelry that we carry. And back in the fall, we had a trunk show that was very successful. We had a whole lot of people come. They ate, drank, and they were merry. And we had some vendors from California come, and up in New Hampshire they came down. But it was very successful, and we're going to show you some of those products. First is Origin. Origin's out of California, and they make these really cool necklaces. But what is so cool about them? They're magnetic, so you just put them around your neck and they clasp. But people really like that. They're so easy to put on. These nice brilliant colors. Here's one, looks like the moon there. But they just have really beautiful colors. But once again, that's also a magnet. And people were really buying these up at the trunk show last year. This one's a shell design. It's got a nice sheen to it. All their jewelry has a nice sheen to it. What's interesting is the necklace part of it is made with guitar string. Here's a big chunky piece. Looks like hammered aluminum, but it's got that nice big bold look to it. They also do a line of bracelets. Same idea though. Look at how it just clasps with the magnet. It goes on so easy. But they're very urban looking. These are all the rage now with this matte look. But they are very nice. They just catch really easy with the magnetic clasp. Over here we have a leaf design. It's a nice, not a really heavy look, but it's a nice bright blue color in it. This leaf one has a matte design. They called me this year to see if we were going to have another show, since they knew it was a success as well. But since we're closed to the public, I said we'll just have to show it online. Okay, another vendor that we carried was Amy Kahn Russell. They were from Massachusetts, but they do nice stones. Here we have a red cinnabar. Look how striking that is with the red. That'd be great for Christmas coming up. But it's definitely a statement piece. Their pieces are definitely one of a kind. They'll also do custom work. This beautiful carnelian necklace. It's very lightweight. So it comes with earrings. Another popular one, people like the chunky coral necklace. But this is definitely a statement piece. But both of these companies were really easy to work with. We love carrying their product in the online store. Here's a really nice long jasper. Look at those nice stones. But this is so long you could actually double it up if you wanted to. But those nice earthy tones are really beautiful. Christmas is coming up. These make great presents. Okay, and another perk of shopping on our online store is if you choose the option for pickup, we're going to do free gift wrapping for you, and all you have to do is pick it up and you're ready for Christmas. Here's a sample of what we'll do. We have this beautiful paper that has pines and berries on it, pine branches, some cedar branches, but we'll put this nice green bow on it, wrap it up. Isn't that a beautiful package? And when you buy some of our Origin jewelry, we'll wrap it up for you, put our little museum sticker on there, and we'll do one of these little starburst bows. I want to show you how to make one of these little starburst bows. So what you do is you just get some raffia, some thin ribbon, but you just take a long piece of it, wrap it around your hands, and just get a whole lot of it on there. And this is a really easy bow that anybody can make, but it has a really good little impact. Okay, so you get your loops, grab it in the middle, then you want to take another piece, and we're just going to tie it around the middle. But it would just draw it really tight and then tie a knot in it again. And you've got this part right now. So what you want to do is take a pair of scissors and just run it up all those loops that you've made on one side. And cut it. You may have to go back and get a couple that you missed. Turn it around and get the other side. And all you have to do is tie it on your package, or we're going to tie it on the handle of this for right now. But I'm telling you, this is a really easy bow. And you can use different colors, mix and match them all together. But once you got it tied on, scrunch it up really hard to make it pop out. And there's a really quick, easy, different kind of bow you can use for the holidays. But again, if you do pick up for us, we'll wrap all your gifts for you in this nice Christmas paper with this really nice, luxurious ribbon. If we need to bag it, we'll put it in a nice gift bag with a sunburst bow on it. And who wouldn't want to get a present like this on Christmas morning from the museum store? We hope you will visit our online store at chmuseums.myshopify.com, and we'll see you next week.